umthandazo eso raise namhlanje uma suuthandaza awuzowuthandaza ugcine la. Uma usekhaya uzoqhubeka uthandaza uthi Lord fill me with the knowledge of your will in all wisdom and in all spiritual understanding. And then he mentions the result of this prayer. It is so that you will walk worthy of the Lord. Ukuzukwazi ukuhamba kahle phambi kaNkulunkulu, pray this prayer. Number 2, so that you will become fruitful in every good work. It's the result of this prayer. Number 3, so that you increase in the knowledge of God. 3 things. These are my results of this prayer. You need to be filled with the knowledge of His will. Ukuze ukwazi ukuthela ithelo in whatever assignment uNkulunkulu ayibekile phezulu kwempilo yakho, you must be filled with the knowledge of His will. Hallelujah. Ukuze ukwazi to walk worthy of unto the Lord, you must be filled with the knowledge of His will. Sivala amehlo ethu sonke. Sizothandaza abazalwane. If it's a standard, just for 5 minutes, we all gonna pray. We all gonna pray. Konande berede koshanta rabada kasada. Radeka pelia kapako santa baya. Umongazo uthandaza njengoba siqalile sikhonza. This is your chance now. This is your chance now. This is your chance now to pray. Jandaye kambai tokai tepelia. Kanto pariadaka setabaya. Rabaku shata. Raise up your voice, somebody. Raise up your voice. Lande